Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's open settings. Then you have to enter wallpaper section. Then you have to select, go to the My Wallpapers if you want to select one of the pre-installed wallpapers. Here you also have some downloaded wallpapers. You can go to the wallpaper service. You can set up yourself some dynamic lock screen, Samsung global goals, or whatever. Or you can just select an image from gallery and set it as a wallpaper. Then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. Here you can adjust it and then tap set on lock and home screen. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.